In this video, I will show you how to post on Pinterest. Just you have to follow and watch this video till the end. Open Pinterest like this and click right now here on the plus icon, and you see if you want to add a pin or collage or board. For me, I want to add a pin. So I will click and I have to allow or give access to media and files. Click allow and then it will open here. So choose the picture that you want to use, click on it and click on next, and here add a title and description and links if you want, products if you want to tag, and click on create. And that's all, guys. You can find it right now on your profile. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.